Hey, what's up everybody? This is Gunman here, doing an unboxing video for my new keyboard that I recently got today. It is a Logitech keyboard. It is really a nice keyboard, and I thought it'd be cool to get. So, gonna open this up and install it. Anything down there? Nothing down there. What? Just nice keyboard, USB keyboard. It's probably going to be a quick install because I just have to plug it in. Because it's a laptops bug the heck, keyboards bug the heck out of me sometimes. Because I was, instead of sitting back. Logitech manual. Add into the C chords. Maybe I should put that down there. Stuck. Got it. Ugh. Took away all as much of the cords as I can. There we go. Now I have a keyboard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.